This is a game made in Python. As a matter of fact, I made a lot of stuff in Python. Let's take a look at this example. Alright, I made this Guess My Number game, and it's time to show you the gameplay. As you can see, this is my code on the screen, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Alright, let's play the game before we look in the code. We are now asked to enter a number between 1 and 10. I will go with 5. The secret number is less than our previous guess, 5. We are asked to guess again, and we guess 3, and we guess correctly. 3 was the correct answer in this case. We can try playing again. 2, 5, 7. In this case, we were wrong, and the secret number was only one more than 7 at 8. Now, this is just an example, and it is very flexible. Let's go look inside the code to see what's all happening. This is my code. As you can see, I'm not sure if it was formatted correctly or anything, and it has a total of 43 lines, which isn't that much. And as a matter of fact, there's a lot of blank lines too. So technically there's only about 30 something lines. Alright, let's start from the beginning. We first need to import the random module from the Python standard library. This will let us pick a random number. Then we print the title, and then we have a line break. Anytime you see one of these in this code, that means I'm doing a line break. Then we have to reset the variables so that it isn't the same every single time, and so that our program doesn't get messed up. We have a number variable, which is our secret number. We randomize it from the minimum and maximum given right here. And then we reset these two variables. The user's guess and the amount of times the user guessed. We also need to make sure win equals false, or else the user will just auto win, and that won't be fun. So the game starts, and this is the user's first try. So we increment it by 1. We let them input a value right here, and if they win, we make sure we set win to true so that when we exit the loop down here, it says that they won and not that they lost. And we exit the loop. Otherwise, if we already reached the maximum amount of attempts allowed, we make sure win is equal to false. This piece of code is not necessary. This is just to make sure. And we leave the loop. Otherwise, if the user guessed incorrectly, but they still have attempts or tries left, then we give them a hint. We don't have to, but this makes the game more fun. So, if their guess was less than the number, then the number is greater than the guess. And same vice versa. Then we have a line break, and we keep doing it. When we opt out of the loop, these couple lines of code will decide whether the user won or lost. We already made a variable to help with it though. So if win is not true, then we automatically lose. And we tell the user what the number was. Otherwise, that means the user won, so we say win. Finally, down here, these lines of code that I'm highlighting right now, this piece and this piece, are not necessary. The function is what triggers all this. In this example, we're doing a range of a minimum of 1 through a maximum of 10. And we give the user 3 tries before they lose. I hope you enjoy this new little series called I Made a Game. This is the first episode, so please let me know in the comments if you like this stuff. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video.